Is this one of the best realistic Barbie filters? Stay until the end of the video and judge for yourself. First, to use this filter, you need to have the Remini app installed. Find it on the Google Play Store by typing Remini in the search box. After installing, open the app. Right at the beginning, you'll see the Barbie filter. Click on the Try Them button. Then click on the Take a Selfie button. I've prepared some photos from the Pexels website. Click on the button to take a photo. To use the Barbie filter, simply click on this icon labeled Barbie. We need to wait for about half a minute. Here are the results. AI has used this filter very well to generate you as Barbie. You can save the image in the gallery by clicking this button. You can also directly share it on the social media platforms shown below. I'll demonstrate it with another picture. Here are the results. Write your impressions in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Thank you.